Let's go, guys. I'm going to start this index law. Okay. Let's see. U Isra times by B. What do we write here? So, in case if you forget, okay, U and B. That is your base. Okay, remember
We
U.
have 1 minute.
Okay. This is your exponent. Think this as a person, okay? Usra, you, how many times repeated Usra? Three, right? Times. Now, B,
5. Repeat about 5.
5. Let's do 5. So you have to write, 5 times.
5.
Okay. Now, okay. So we were discussing index law. Okay, 2 to the power 3. Now we discussed the base. Which number is the base?
2.
2. This is our base. It's called base because it's at the bottom, right?
Yes.
So easy to remember. Try to connect this somehow, which can remember. Base and the power on the top is called exponent power index, right? So use any one which you like. So this is called, we usually used to say power, R index, R exponent, okay? So any word you like, you can use it. Okay, let's see what does base means this is the number, right? This is basically the number 2. And that's the repetition of the number, right? So how many times it's repeated? It doesn't mean you times these 2, okay? That's very wrong. You have to repeat this base
2.
as many times as exponent, okay? So your real number is 2. Your real number is your base. So now 2, and you have to repeat. How many times I should repeat?
3 times.
3 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Here you go. So that means this to the power and this to the power 3 means you have to repeat this number 3 times. Okay? Now you see the sign between them? Times, times. You have to times them. Do not add them. Okay? Let's see. First, we can't times 3 of them together. We can if you have a good timetable, if you have memorized. Now first we're going to do these 2 and we see what is the answer. 2 times 2 is 4, right? So we write the answer here at the bottom and I'll repeat this as it is and between that sign, okay? So we didn't do with the third one, we didn't do anything, but just we brought them down, right? These 2 is here. This is the answer for this, right?
Yes.
Now, what is the sign between these 2? Times. So 4 times 2?
6.
Times.
8.
8, yes. So 8. So it means 2 to the power 3, the answer is?
8.
Excuse me, 8, yeah. Right? So simple. Let's do it. You go again. So let's see if we have 8, right? If your teacher asks you to write in exponential form, like the previous one we did, right? So what I'm going to do, first I try to factorize this, like divide into smaller pieces. 8, okay? So what are the 2 numbers which makes 8? When you times them?
4 times 4.
4
times 2.
4 times 2. That makes 8. Right? 4 times 2 is very easy, 8. Do you think I can split 4 again?
Yeah.
What are the numbers which makes 4?
2.
2 times?
2 times 2.
Yes. So I can write 2 times 2 times this 2 again here, right? This 2 I didn't do anything, it's there already. So now if I do this, 2 times 2, 4, keep the answer in your mind, 4, and then times it with 2, 8. But, so it means if I write 8 this way or this way, same thing, right? Just different ways to write down. Now, as you can see, all of these numbers are same, 2, 2, 2, 2, right? all of this, and all of them they have exponent 1 at the top, 2 one time, right? If I have 3 of them, so in exponent form, what do I write? 2 power 3, right?
Yeah.
So it means 2 repeated. How many times repeated?
3 times.
3 times. So this is to the power 3. This is the opposite of the previous one, right? So what we did in this, we wrote 8 in exponential form, okay? The opposite.